Everything Experiential celebrated its second-year anniversary recently, opening a new chapter with the launch of a magazine, BW Applause, a magazine focused at the experiential marketing and events industry in India. It was an evening of fun, food, fashion and music, a fashion show and performances by Turkish band and Desi Swag Group added glitter to the event that was attended by the country's leading event planners, marketers, agencies, event services providers and other stakeholders of the industry. What does he want from me? Decoding the client was the next session. Rajesh Verma, CRI Events, Ankur Kalra, Vibyor Brand Services, Sanjeev Pariksha, CS Direct, and Rajiv Jain, Rashi Entertainment were the panelists. And Yamini Singh, Executive Editor, BW Applause, moderated the session.
I think let's start the question with a blast from the past. What is the change that you've seen in the clients, and how has this landscape evolved in all this time that you've been in this industry?
You know, the landscape has really changed. When we started, I remember one used to go on a bike and try and explain to a client what is event management. Why does he need a professional to actually do this job? The client would say, I can get in touch with a tent wala and a light and sound. Why do I need an event manager to do my event? And the landscape has completely changed, where today the client calls us and asks us for a concept to promote his service or product and to help him reach out to his target audience. So that has been the shift in landscape, where from trying to explain why does he need the services of a professional to do his event, to we are being called on the table to try and strategize with him, where he is asking us how can he reach out to his target audience in a direct way.
Rajiv, if you can give us your take.
I think lot has been addressed on the corporate clients, what do they want. So I think I'll just address on what social clients wants, because this is one of the work that our agency does. Generally, a corporate client is looking for a brand promotion. A corporate client is looking for हमारी brand ऊपर कैसे पहुँचती है, sales ऊपर कैसे पहुँचती है. What is the kind of pitch that we can have for promoting our product? But actually, a social client looks to promote himself, which is there. He has arrived in life. वो पहुँच चुका है ज़िंदगी में, उसको जहाँ पहुँचना है, जितना पैसा कमाना है कमा चुका है वो. And now he is looking at that, how can I become big in the market?
Basically trying to say that clients are perceiving you as mere executors and not strategic partners. And if they do perceive you as strategic partners, what exactly as an agency are you bringing to the table for them?
I'm sure all of us sitting down here understand a difference between a chemist and a doctor. That's exactly the difference that I think we are today seen as chemists. And I'm sure we'll agree that you can buy any medicine, a crocin, from any chemist in the country, the multiple guys, but you will not change your doctor. So the unfortunate part is that most of us are behaving like chemists to be kind of clubbed in this category of a chemist rather than doctors.
In India, we are about 15 years back, we were way down in the supply chain system. We used to be the last people to be called on board. That paradigm is kind of changing now. We are the first people to be called on a new launch, but we are still not considered creators. We are still considered, you know, they will execute. And we do get inspired by work that is happening internationally because of technology. But the day we start being partners to brands, and we've started working on a couple of clients as partners, you will see the whole thing shift changing and going towards the positive.
And what will it take for the agencies to, what will it take for you guys to be able to, as an industry, to be able to produce compelling business cases? What is missing?
See, what is missing is...
Take out procurement first.
Yeah, so
okay,
that's a big one.
That's a big one.
That's a big one because you have people negotiating with you who don't have a domain knowledge on your subject. If a marketeer negotiates with you, he has a domain knowledge. But a procurement guy doesn't have the domain knowledge, and he is commoditizing our business, which is a negative, so we are not getting our numbers.
Unfortunately, what happens in our industry is a client calls for a pitch amongst 5 agencies, gets the best of the ideas. All 5 agencies do the entire work, including designs, concept, creative, copywriting, etc., etc. then the client picks up the best out of the 5 ideas or creates a combination of 2 or 3 agencies and then puts an RFP for it. Now he's already got the creativity. Now all he needs is nuts and bolts, and that's when the procurement comes in and they say, ₹7 ka flex hona chahiye versus ₹8 ka flex hona chahiye. And the entire idea is brought down to that ₹7 or ₹8 per square feet cost of flex.
One answer is accountability and measurability. If you bring it into the system, that's the only way out. Because when you're making things measurable, you don't have subjective answers. Today we get feedback in terms of maza nahi aaya. You know, in some of the events, maza nahi aaya. You can't measure a maza after all. I mean, there are instances.
Get a pretty MC.
So if you, if you are able to kind of put your measurability in the beginning of the pitch, and I think that's a practice that we've started doing, is that what is the measurability that you're looking at post-event? And if that's defined very well, I don't think there's ambiguity, and that probably clears off a lot of problems between us and the clients.
With its 360-degree coverage, this latest offering from the BW family will ensure that you experience and enjoy with applause. Team BW TV, New Delhi.